Ordinal is the simplest way of comparing strings, and you can think of it as a way of saying don't pay any attention whatsoever to either the culture or to any of the Unicode issues we've just discussed. In an ordinal comparison, you simply iterate through each character in the string, comparing the numeric value stored in each char instance until you find a difference. Suppose I want to compare the strings lemon and lime with an ordinal comparison. We start by comparing the first characters. They are both the same, lowercase l, which has Unicode code point 108. So we look at the second character. These are different. Lemon has a small e, code point 101, and lime has a small I, code point 105. 101 is less than 105, so lemon comes before lime. Now the compare method returns an integer and follows the same convention for the return value as iComparable of t's compare to method. So if, as in this case, the first argument is smaller, we return a negative number. I have this comparison set up in Visual Studio. You can see the string comparison value of ordinal. Let's run that. And you can see we have actually got a number less than 0, -4 in this case. Ordinal ignore case is similar to ordinal, except that if it sees two characters that are the same except for their case, it will regard them as equal. To show you that, I'll change the second string to be uppercase lemon, so the same as the first string except for the case. If I run the code now, it gives a positive number, 32, indicating that the first argument is the greater one. The lowercase string is greater because recall that lowercase letters from A to Z have higher numeric code point values than the uppercase letters. So in ordinal comparisons, lowercase l comes after uppercase L. But if I change the string comparison to ordinal ignore case and run the code again, now as you'd expect we get the answer 0, saying the two strings are the same.